Welcome back. So today we are featuring another xTool laser. xTool was amazing enough to send me their newest M2 Ultra laser that is not only a laser but is also an inkjet printer as well. You guys, this laser is all the things for all the crafters. Let's get into it. The xTool M2 Colorcraft Laser Cutter and Engraver, it's a full color CMYK inkjet and a 10 watt and a 20 watt diode laser. I have the 10 watt version. It came with a 10 watt laser head, but it also comes with a 20 watt laser head, a 3 watt infrared laser head, and hopefully a 40 watt laser head that will be coming soon. This is the easiest craft laser with color printing for everyday making. You can now print and cut with one machine. This laser has interchangeable heads for printing, cutting, and engraving across a whole plethora of materials. The 10 and 20 watt laser head for lasering, the 3 watt infrared laser head for engraving, and the inkjet printer head for color inkjet printing. The versatility of this machine is unmatched. If you're wondering if you can laser tumblers on this machine, you absolutely can. It comes with a rotary turner, and with its new full wrap and grazing feature, no riser will be needed. We'll be diving into that feature in an upcoming video. And look y'all, it has a camera, not one, but two. The dual cameras allow for the featured smart positioning and live preview to ensure perfect alignment. And this alignment is close, you guys, super close, like hair width close. The accuracy of this machine is absolutely amazing. This machine has it all with endless applications that are ideal for stickers, decor, and custom gifts, just in time to start creating for the upcoming fall Christmas craft season. I love the ease in which you can change out these heads. They are magnetic, so all you have to do is pop them on and attach the included cable. Now for the pièce de résistance, the inkjet laser head. The color inkjet head was super easy to put together. Just add the ink, close the lid, and pop on the magnetic base. You'll have to screw on the bottom piece on the laser, but the screw and screwdriver is included with the machine. The setup was super easy. I didn't really have to do anything but plug it in and also set up my computer with the included USB cable cord. When you first set up the machine, you will have to do a couple of calibrations for the print heads. There was a calibration for the print head as well as the laser head, but it was super fast and super easy to do. The laser walked me through everything, so I didn't have to do any guesswork. Once you're all set up, there will be a few projects that you can do to get started. I love how they have some projects available to help you become acclimated with the machine, especially if you're a beginner laserist or a laser enthusiast. These machines can be extremely intimidating. So the fact that they have these projects ready for you to start and to get your feet wet, it's really helpful. I wanted to try out the color printing and engraving feature. That is the most exciting thing that I think that this machine is now offering. So I'm going to jump right into that. xTool provided me with a bunch of materials, but to start, I decided to make a coaster using the color inkjet printing and engraving. I have uploaded a color PNG file, and now I'm going to be using the amazing built-in camera to place the design on my coaster. I love it when a machine has WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get capability, because if you remember in my past videos, I thought xTool would be the perfect machine if it just had a camera. I'm a very visual person, and having a camera would be so helpful, and voila, they did it, and I absolutely love it. I wanted to crop the design to remove the wording because I wanted to engrave the words along the bottom. Using the text tool, I retyped the wording and changed the font. They also have this little feature to curve the words. I don't remember seeing that before. It may be with the newest update for the software. Anywho, I used that to curve the wording so it fit better along the bottom. When I was finished adjusting my image, I changed the material setting to cork. I then made sure the top portion of the design was set to print or printing, and the wording on the bottom was set to engrave. I didn't change any of the other options along the side and went with the default for cork. After a while, the camera image of your design does kind of go away. So if you want to see it again, what it would look like on the laser, just click the little camera icon and it pops right back up. Now click process and your computer will send the image over to your laser for processing. I am going to be starting with the inkjet printing processing of this design. So I have my inkjet print head in the laser and it's ready to go. The laser is all finished with the printing portion, and now the laser is telling me that I need to switch out the print heads to the 10-watt laser head so I can now engrave the bottom wording. This project was super simple and fast. It took me about 5 to 7 minutes to complete and it came out super cute. If you want to try other projects to help you get started, they also have a library of projects that you can do, and something that I like to do is go up to the filter and you can filter the projects to the machine that you have. This is super convenient so you don't waste time clicking on a project only to see that you need a different watt laser to accomplish it. Here is the finished project that I did today, and you guys, this was just a simple project, easy project to do, just to get my feet wet with this print and engrave feature on this machine. I cannot wait to actually really get in depth with this machine and see what this machine can really do. With fall around the corner and knowing that this machine can now do the color inkjet printing along with cutting or lasering, my wood signs are going to be top notch this fall season. And like I said, with fall right around the corner, y'all know I start my fall designs in June and July. So don't be surprised if you start seeing some fall signs pop up on my YouTube channel. This machine is absolutely amazing. You can now do your inkjet printing and you can do your lasering in one machine. And the fact that you can grow with this machine, like I said, it has interchangeable laser heads, 10 watt, 20 watt, and the 3 watt infrared laser head. That means you don't have to buy a whole new machine when you want a more powerful laser. You can just buy the higher wattage laser head. This all-in-one machine is such a game changer, and at the current price point, it is an amazing investment for the small crafter or the small craft business that want to get their feet wet in the lasering industry. I just want to thank xTool for sending this machine. It is absolutely amazing, and I can't wait to really get into the full capabilities of it. Be sure to watch out for more tutorials coming in the future involving this machine. If you guys have any questions, just post a comment down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as best as I can. Don't forget, I am new to this machine as well, but I'll also have more information about this machine and a link to purchase in the description box down below. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. A huge thank you to all of my mentorship and channel members. Your support means the absolute world to me. Have fun checking out this new machine, the xTool M2 Colorcraft Laser and Engraver, and I will see you again next time. Bye.